everyone. Well, I'm sure you know that maybe every few months or a year, something goes viral. It becomes trendy and it hits the internet. And today, I'm going to show you something that I discovered that went viral. And it seems like it's all over the place. And I'm anxious to make it. So stay tuned if you want to see how I do. Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. If you're new, my name is Dolores. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you on this little baking journey with me. Just smash that subscribe, and that's all you have to do. So, what are we going to do today? Well, all I know is I have been seeing all over the place. It's definitely a viral trend. Something that's called fluffy yogurt. It's very healthy. It has tons of protein in it. Makes a great breakfast. Makes a great snack. Or whatever you want to use it for. And best of all, it keeps you filled up. And it's easy to make. So what do you say we get started? I'm dying to try it myself. So, obviously we're calling it fluffy yogurt because of the consistency. It sort of takes on, I guess I want to say almost like a mousse-like texture. But anyway, I'm going to grab a whole of a bowl because I'm making a single portion. So I'm going to use this bowl. It's actually an ice cream bowl, but I'll turn it around. It doesn't matter. All right. And now you're going to use plain yogurt, Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. Now I happen to have used this one. You can use low fat or no fat, whichever you want. Now I didn't know how you say this. I like this yogurt, F-A-G-E, but I wasn't sure how you said it. And then I see when I turned around the container, it says on here, pronounce, and it's F-A-Y-E-H. So I'm going to say Faye. Okay. So today I'm using the plain Greek Faye yogurt, but you can use any brand you want. Doesn't matter. So in this bowl, I'm going to put about 3/4 of a cup of this yogurt in there. So let me take this out. Oh, look at this, Faye. I took the lid off and it still has another piece of plastic over that. So let me get rid of that. Okay. So we need 3/4 of a cup of this yogurt. So this is a cup I have. So some people don't measure, but I think if you want it to come out good, measure it. Okay, so that is probably a good 3/4 of a cup. So I'm going to put that in my bowl. Okay. All right. Now, what you're going to add to this, and this is the secret. Well, it's not the secret, but you can make this any flavor you want. Because we're going to put in here just about, well, a tablespoon of instant pudding. So I happen to have the cheesecake one because I'm going to try that today. But you can use any flavor pudding you want. You can do chocolate. There's so many. They have the banana cream one, which I want to try next. You can do add-ins on there. Like if you do the banana cream one, you can put sliced bananas in there and some crumbled up graham crackers. You can make the chocolate one. You can put peanut butter in there. There's so many different versions. And you don't have to make it with just instant pudding. You can make this with Jello too. So today we're making it with the cheesecake instant pudding. And all you need to put in here is 1 tablespoon. So let me open this now and measure out a tablespoon. People are raving about this, so we'll see. I'll tell you, a lot of times I just don't quite know what I want for breakfast, or really later on in the day when I'm watching TV at night, to make a perfect snack. And I can't wait to experiment with all the different flavors, with all the different add-ins. You can add mini chocolate chips to it. I mean, anything you want. So far I have the yogurt and a tablespoon of the instant cheesecake pudding mix. Now, this is the secret. You are going to use, not a lot, because if you put too much in, you'll ruin it, baking powder, not soda. Baking powder. It has to be the powder. And you're going to put, well, I would say a teaspoon of baking powder in there. Don't put any more in and measure it, because otherwise it doesn't taste good. So let me level that out and put 1 teaspoon. The baking powder is what gives this fluffy consistency. That's why it's called fluffy yogurt. Okay, and if you are on a health kick, or you're into athletics or physical fitness, a lot of people like to put protein powder in here. I don't have any, so I'm not going to put any in today, but if you have protein powder, add that in. You want to add vanilla in there or any flavor you want. But you can add, not a lot, just a little bit of protein powder to that. Because with all the protein in the yogurt, like this yogurt has 17 grams of protein in it for 3/4 of a cup. So we already have 13 grams of protein in here. If we put some protein powder in here, we'd have more. You know, you could end up with 25, 30 grams of protein. Build up those muscles. All right. Now, I'm going to put, it's my sweetener of choice. It's the only one I like to use. It's stevia in the raw. I'm going to put 1 envelope of this in, just to give it a little sweet flavor. Okay? And then, I'm going to stir this up. You got to mix it really well. It's supposed to end up looking like, almost like a cheesecake filling when you're done. So let me get this all stirred up. Oh, I can already see it's sort of getting a little fluffy. Like, almost looks like Cool Whip or whipped cream. Doesn't look like yogurt anymore. Now, you can put this in the refrigerator for a little while, or not. It's up to you. But as you can see, I'm mixing this up. This will fill you up and it will satisfy you. I can't wait. I like banana cream pie, and I can't wait to make it with I bought a box of the banana cream instant pudding. You can crush up a Nilla wafer, put a few sliced bananas in there, whatever you want. So let me just mix this and get it fluffy. Okay. All right. You see? It's not a yogurt consistency anymore. It's almost like whipped cream. It's fluffy yogurt. Okay. Now I happen to have some graham crackers, so I'm just going to take one and just crush a little bit of it on there, just because I can. And I'm experimenting. All right. Now I'm just going to crush a little bit on there. This is healthy for you. All that yogurt. And sometimes some people don't like yogurt. They don't like the consistency of it. They don't like the taste of it. So this, I think, is going to hit the spot. So let me go get a different spoon so I can do a taste testing. But like I say, you can put this in the refrigerator for a little while, not long, if you want to chill it. Just be right back. Now I saw someone make this, and they added, I'm talking like a minuscule amount of milk in there because they thought it was a little thick, but that's your preference. So So I'm going to dig in now and see what this viral, trendy, fluffy yogurt tastes like. Alrighty. Here we go. I love it. It does taste a lot like cheesecake filling. And if I wanted to, I could throw a few little mini chocolate chips in here. I could sprinkle a little cinnamon on, whatever I wanted. But let me tell you, this will fill you up. So that's how you make your fluffy yogurt. Next time I am dying to try the banana cream one, and my favorite, I bought instant pistachio pudding, so I want to make that one and sprinkle a little of my crushed pistachio nuts on it. So give this a try when you're watching TV at night and you get a craving for something a little sweet. Make this, it'll fill you right up. I intend to make different ones for breakfast. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing this. I wanted to share this viral, I guess you could say trendy. I first saw it on TikTok. Viral, trendy, TikTok, fluffy yogurt dessert. And I want to thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe. If you like this, that I shared it with you, give me a thumbs up. And if you've made it, make a comment, I should say. I'd love to hear it. And maybe you've made it and you've tried different flavors. I often thought of the chocolate with raspberries on the top. If you want, you could squirt a little whipped cream on the top. So anyway, make it, enjoy it. I'm going to, and I will see you again very soon. Toodles!